let's say that you are at lunch and remembered a 15 pages report in the desktop and needs an actual summary. So nowadays you don't need it to run the home. With the Claude Dispatch, your text, your computer from the phone, and your PC executes the task locally. So let's see how to put your devices set up. So always on, permissions, and give you the best prompts for the remote automations. The requirements of the Pro Gate is that the basics, you needed an actual Cloud Pro or a Max subscription. Dispatch is currently a premium feature because it uses the high-end agentic co-work engine. So you might want to take that in mind before we continue. So make sure your mobile application and the desktop applications are updated to the May 2026 versions. If you see the Dispatch tab into your sidebar, you're actually ready. So as you can see, we have the actual free version of the Cloud D. And when you open this application to the desktop in your computer, you see the actual dispatched applications, and a setup screen will appear explaining the remote connection. So in my case, for example, we don't see that. We only see the customize, we only see the artifacts, we see the projects, we see the chats, and the actual new chat. So if you don't see that, what you need to do is to look out for the element that says upgrade, which is to the upper side that says upgrade. And you can see that right below here, we have the cloudy element that can be helping you with the dispatched. So once you have now selected that element, usually it's going to be really easily to just get started there. So open that element, click into get started, you tap into the profile application, select the pair with the desktops, and you need to scan the code, or the phone will now start a connection established. You just turn the PC into the Pro Cloud's server. I'm going to show you actually how it actually looks. I'm going to focus for cloudy, dispatched, and it will be appearing something like this. So as you can see, this is the actual element that is going to be showing you. In my case, here it is, the code working and to the go. So basically what you need to do is to once again use the element that says get started. Here's the clicked dispatch running. Go for finished, and it says give cloud access to your files. You enable, let's say yes and yes, finish the actual setup. And here is like the actual tutorial of what you can actually do. What you can do, you can ask Cloudy to pull data from your local spreadsheet, have Cloudy search your Slack messages, request a format presentation build from files to Google Drive, tell Cloudy to organize your process files in a specific folder, retrieve files, the memory, the schedule task, the computer views, the saved considerations, and much more. Right now, with the permissions and state awake element, this is the most important step because your computer cannot be asleep. In the dispatch settings, you need to toggle into the key desktop awake, yes or yes, because Cloud needs permissions to see your screen, to read your files while you're away, so grant the accessibility and desk permissions when prompted. So just a prop tip that I can give you before you go is that you can keep your physical monitor turned off. As long as the PC is powered on and the application is open, Dispatch will still work into the actual background, right? So just test it from your phone. Ask Cloudy to find a specific file into your hard drive. You will see a live status. Cloudy finds the file, read it, and use its local co-work engine and text you the actual server. If it's asking both deleting and remove files, Dispatch will send a permission request to your phone, and you have to tap approve before it actually acts. Now this might be a little concerning for a lot of people because they have a lot of sensitive content and they don't want the artificial intelligence to have access to all of that, because somebody might be making some damage, risk, spam stuff and virus of that. But that's totally optional if you still want to focus for Cloudy. So this is the actual Cloud Dispatch. Your computer is now 24/7 robotic employee that lives into your actual pocket. If you want to see more great tools like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys. If you want to see more great tools that are only for Cloudy, for Windows, and so much more, thank you so much for watching the video, guys, and hopefully we can all see you all next time.